Hey, love, can you just make sure I'm not in the... Well, I guess I'll not in the shot. I know, Zachy. I just want to see if you have any cool tricks while during dinner. Hummus. Good stuff, eh, guys? Honey, can you get Zachy maybe a napkin for his hand? Just because he seems to have... He's going with a whole fist approach, which isn't the best for hummus. Do you really have to not talk when the video camera's on? That is very weird. I know, kids. Someday you'll look back on this and be like, I wonder why Mommy was mute. I think most people don't listen to this with the sound on. How's your sandwich?
Very good.
Oh, good. Zachy, really? Can you believe Eden has a tooth and neither of us noticed it?
Yes, I want to discuss on film how bad parents were.
Oh, fair point, alright.
Okay, they need more food.
You want to give them some of your sandwich? Or should I make a new one? It was a pretty big dinner. They just devoured. Should I get the knife? Shut off the video, dude. Zachy is super camera shy. Like he stares at it when it turns on. Do you guys want some O's? Maybe I'm going to give you some O's.
Should we give them a fruit or vegetable?
Oh, what fruit do we have? You want to give them a texture?
Can you take this, please?
Yep. I don't know, this is kind of... Oh, there. Wish I had 10 minutes to the list, eh? Do you want me to stop this? Here. Why? Bless you. Gesundheit.